You're a hostage, trapped in a digital echo chamber of your own making. The bars are invisible, made of carefully curated content, designed to keep you outraged, addicted, and most importantly, ignorant. Look around. Your social feeds are filled with the same recycled opinions, the same comforting lies, the same carefully constructed reality that reinforces your existing biases. This isn't an accident. This is weaponized ignorance, meticulously engineered and ruthlessly profitable. Remember that feeling when you stumble across a news story that contradicts your worldview? The immediate urge to dismiss it? That's the system working as intended. Your brain, hijacked by dopamine hits and tribal validation, chooses comfort over truth. You're not alone. Millions are trapped in this self-imposed ignorance, addicted to the fleeting high of being right, even when they're demonstrably wrong. Here's the ugly truth. Your ignorance is a gold mine. Social media giants and media conglomerates are the drug dealers, and your attention is the currency. They track your every click, every like, every outraged comment, building a detailed profile of your deepest fears and desires. This data, this digital map of your ignorance, is then weaponized. Algorithms, those silent puppet masters of the digital age, curate your feed, ensuring a constant stream of content designed to keep you hooked. It's a dopamine feedback loop, where outrage equals engagement, and engagement equals profit. Think back to the last time you got into a heated online argument. Did you change anyone's mind? Or did you simply entrench yourself deeper into your own echo chamber, high on the righteous fury of self-validation? The truly insidious aspect of this system is its self-perpetuating nature. The more ignorant the population remains, the easier it is to manipulate and control. Politicians peddle fear and division, knowing that a public addicted to outrage is easily swayed by emotional appeals and simplistic solutions. Look at the evidence. Politicians openly embrace conspiracy theories. Celebrities spout dangerous misinformation, and it's all amplified, repackaged, and served back to you on a platter of algorithmic certainty. So how do you break free? How do you escape this matrix of manufactured ignorance? It starts with acknowledging your own complicity. You, the consumer, are both the victim and the enabler. Step 1. Detox. Unplug from the outrage machine. Delete the apps that fuel your anger. Silence the voices that confirm your biases. Step 2. Diversify your information diet. Actively seek out opposing viewpoints. Read books. Engage in thoughtful discussions. Challenge your own assumptions. Step 3. Embrace humility. The most dangerous phrase in any language is "I already know that." True knowledge is a journey, not a destination. Be open to the possibility that you might be wrong, that your firmly held beliefs might be based on shaky foundations. The choice is yours. Remain a hostage to the algorithms, or reclaim your mind and break free from the chains of engineered ignorance. The future, quite literally, depends on it.